All right, everybody, welcome back. Lesson 2 is create a Firebase account and your first project. Today, we're going to create your Firebase account and create your first project. So let's dive right in. All right, first thing we're going to do is go up to your browser and we're going to go to firebase.google.com, and authentication to get started with Firebase is pretty simple. If you have a Gmail address or an email registered on Google's Gmail server, then you're already in. You simply need to click sign in and you'll authenticate your account. So I already have an account, so go ahead and pause the video and authenticate it. If you do not have a Gmail account, then you can go ahead and create one, and once you've created your account, go back to Firebase's main homepage and authenticate your Google account and then log in. And I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, once you've logged in, you'll get to a screen like the one you see here. Take some time to read through the documentation on Firebase. There's a lot you can do with it, as I said in the previous video. This tutorial series will focus on getting set up with hosting only. So when you're ready, go ahead and click Go to Console. And as you can see, I've already got a few projects started. You'll simply click on Add Project to get started. And the first thing you'll do is create a project name. This does have to be unique. If it's not unique, Google will attach a string of numbers to make it unique. So let's go ahead and let's just create something real simple here. Web 123 course. All right. Go ahead and hit continue. We're not going to set up any analytics right now, but if that is something that you want to play with, there is a list of some of the things that you can do with the data in analytics. You're welcome to deep dive into that later. Go ahead and click Not Right Now, and then Create Project. All right, when the project is ready, go ahead and hit Continue. And once you're inside the project, you can see all of the options that you have available to you. But again, we'll be dealing with the hosting, so let's click on that. This is the start of the hosting setup, which we'll get started on in the next video. For this video, we covered getting your account set up and your first project created. In the next video, we'll focus on getting Node.js set up, and I'll show you how to communicate with Firebase using Node's command line tool. We'll see you then.